Hello students, welcome to Xtream Telugu. Today's topic is second chapter chemical equations under 10th class chemistry, and the topic under focus today is balancing chemical equations. There you can see what and why are written. That means today we are going to see what is the meaning of balancing chemical equation and why a chemical equation is to be balanced. This is a very important 2 marks question in 10th class chemistry. So try to understand with utmost concentration. Here you can see 2 chemical equations. First being NaOH plus HCl, arrow mark NaCl plus H2O. And in previous videos you have been told that these equations are to be read as one molecule of NaOH reacts with one molecule of HCl to give one molecule of NaCl and one molecule of H2O. The plus is to be read as reacts with in reactant side, and the plus present in the product side has to be read as and, indicating number of products. Here the chemical mechanism, the mechanism behind chemical equation is also far simple. Na reacts with Cl to give NaCl, OH reacts with this H to give us H2O. The second equation, let us see, one molecule of Zn reacts with one molecule of HCl to give us one molecule of ZnCl2 and one molecule of H2. The reaction here is also very simple. Zn reacts with Cl to give us ZnCl2, and H which is there will be liberated as gas, hydrogen gas. But the main important aspect here to be observed is how many molecules are there on LHS of equation 1 in each element. Of each element, how many molecules are there in LHS? Other side, of each element, how many molecules are there on RHS? Let us try to understand. Here, one sodium is there, one oxygen is there, one hydrogen is there. One sodium, one oxygen, one hydrogen. Here one more hydrogen is there, one chlorine is there. So this is how we count number of elements or atoms present in LHS side of a given chemical equation. This side is called as LHS side, reactant side, or the other side is called as RHS side or product side. Total, how many sodiums are there, how many hydrogens are there, how many chlorines are there, let us count. In total, sodiums, oxygens, hydrogens, chlorines, how many are there, let us count. Here, one sodium is there, so number of sodiums is equal to 1. One oxygen is there, number of oxygens is equal to 1. 2 hydrogens, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 hydrogens are there, number of hydrogens is equal to 2. And 1 chlorine is there, so number of chlorines is equal to 1. This is how we calculate the number of elements on LHS side. Other side, 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. That means LHS side and RHS side, both the sides, number of sodiums, hydrogens, oxygens and chlorines are same. Such kind of equations are called as balanced chemical equations, where on LHS side and RHS side, number of elements are same in number. Here, equation number 2, let us concentrate. Zinc has got 1 atom, hydrogen 1 atom, chlorine 1 atom, 1, 1, 1. Each element is 1 in number. On the other side, zinc is 1 in number, chlorine is 2 in number, and hydrogen is 2 in number. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. Here you don't see any balance. Here they are less in number, on the other side they are more in number. This equation is called as unbalanced equation. This is a basic equation which is correct in fact but not balanced. Such kind of equations are called as skeleton equations. Every time skeleton equations need not to be balanced. We need to balance them by proper calculations. So you understood what is the meaning of balanced chemical equation. Let us answer the second question. Why the chemical equation is to be balanced? The answer is law of conservation of mass. What is this law of conservation of mass? Law of conservation of mass states that number of elements present on LHS side must be equal to number of elements present on RHS side. Why? Because number of elements is nothing but their existence, their mass, and mass cannot be created nor be destroyed. Mass can be changed from one place to other place. For example, if 10 persons are traveling in a bus, from their source they are started 10 in number, and as the bus is traveling, if no one enters the bus and no one exits the bus, at the destination you should have 10 number of passengers present in that particular bus. The bus cannot eat number of passengers, right? Neither the bus can produce more passengers. So number of heads which are there at the starting of journey should be equal to number of heads which are there by the end of the journey, provided no one entered the bus and no one exited the bus. In the same way, as we are not giving any more chemical substances or not drawing any chemical substances during the chemical equation, a chemical reaction, number of molecules present on LHS side must be equal to number of molecules present on RHS side. This is called as law of conservation of mass. So you understood in this video what is a balanced chemical equation and why the chemical equation is to be balanced. Hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Xtream Telugu. Thank you.